know, I can't believe I'm getting my nails done. And you said it was going to be fun. Which it kind of is. Also, you said there were going to be other guys here. There are no other guys here.
Chandler, there's a guy right over there.
That's a mailman. That's our mailman. Hi, how are you?
Chandler, don't worry. This doesn't make you any less of a guy. That does. What am I sitting on? I'd hate to think what this woman was scratching when this broke off.
Hey, you know who used to have nails like that?
No.
Oh, my God!
You done?
Yep.
Hey.
Hey, what's up?
The switch thing has been driving me crazy. So I turned it off and checked every outlet. Now, 4 of them don't work, which means one of them has to be controlled by the switch. So I plugged in things in all 4 outlets that make noise. That way, when I turn it on, I just follow the noise and find out which one it is.
I bet I stopped listening before you did.
You know, you also could have used lamps and then followed the light.
Yeah, well, I'm using noise. Okay. All right, so everybody ready? Here we go. I hear something. Where is it? It's coming from Joey.
Oh my God, that's so freaky. Turn him off!
Goes back to England with the set scrum in centre field.
Oh, hey! Hi. Could we put on the news? I think it might be raining.
Oh, just hold on a sec. I'm watching this rugby thing on ESPN. I don't know what the big deal is. I'm man enough to play this sport.
Dude, you're not even man enough to order the channel that carries the sport.
Hey there, Ross.
Hey.
Janice.
You know, you really didn't have to help me pack.
Oh, well, when you said all you were going to be doing between now and the time you leave is packing, you really didn't leave me much choice, did you?
Well, I thought I did, but I guess I did not.
Hey, what's going on?
Oh, I'm packing. You know, I'm packing because I'm moving to Yemen tomorrow.
Well, thanks for telling me.
I'm only pretend moving to Yemen, okay? It's the only way I can get rid of her.
Oh, good one. And Yemen, that actually sounds like a real country.
Hey, Chandler, come on. I'm going to show you how to roll up your underwear and stuff it in your shoes. It's a real space saver.
Yeah, no, I do that because it makes me look taller.
Okay, Chandler, come on.
Okay. Joey, trade lives with me.
Nope. Man, look at this. Ross, I can't believe you said you'd play rugby. I mean, look how brutal this is.
Hey, I can handle it, all right?
Please, Ross, you got hurt playing badminton with my dad.
That's because your mom's dog kept looking at me.
Okay, Ross, look. Right here, it's called a scrum, okay? It's kind of like a huddle.
And is a hum kind of like a scruddle?
Ross, they're gonna kill you.
Well, why are you doing this anyway?
You should have seen the guy that you used to go out with. I mean, he's like Joe Rugby.
You're kidding. And he plays rugby? It's so funny. Oh, I see. You did that. All right.
Anyway, she thought the very idea of me playing rugby with him was like hilarious. So I'm going to show her how tough I really am.
I'm sorry, you're right. You are a tough guy. You're the toughest paleontologist I know.
All right, come on. Look, Ross can take care of himself. It's not like he's Chandler.
Thanks.
Look, don't worry about me, okay? I'll just look real energetic and stay away from the ball. I'll be that guy right outside the circle.
Jomo to back to Bracken.
Well, maybe there was a dog looking at him.